Welcome. I want to share with you a few words of encouragement.
Welcome. In this video, we will discuss two potent biblical words. I will clarify their meanings and explain why you should use them when you lack money or anything else. By repeating these words, you can witness miracles in your life. When a person realizes that they are not a victim of circumstances but the creator of their reality, everything changes. These two words coincide with the name of the Creator and are the words you need to use to manifest your desires. These two words are I am. Conny Mendez stated that when an individual thinks, feels, writes, or pronounces the words I am, they immediately activate or draw the attention of the vital energy in them and the environment around them. The entire universe pauses before this signal to begin to manifest and shape what comes next because the words I am are sacred. The concept of I am is powerful because it represents our true identity as spiritual beings connected with the universe, and our ability to create our reality through our thoughts and emotions. Often, people affirm their limitations by saying things like I have money problems or I am poor, which creates a negative reality. However, by saying I am rich and truly feeling that way, we can align our vibration with abundance. According to Conny Mendez, each of us embodies the will of the Son of God, and life will obey us. The words I am are incredibly powerful and always precede a mental or audible command that life obeys. This is because I am is the name of God the Creator, and we are made in the image and likeness of God. Our higher self is known as I am, which represents the presence of God wherever we are. Those who understand this concept never use I am to express negative decrees or lies, but rather to do good, transform negative situations, and express the truth, which is one of God's principles. This is the beginning. Whatever follows the I am will finally catch up with you. When you say, I'm so clumsy, clumsiness is coming for you. When you say, I'm so old, wrinkles are coming for you. You are extending an invitation to whatever follows the I am. You are opening up to the door, and you are giving it permission to be in your life. The good news is you can choose what follows the I am. When you spend your day saying, I am blessed, blessings come looking for you. When you say, I am talented, the talent comes looking for you. Maybe you don't feel up to it, but when you say, I am healthy, health starts moving in your direction. When you say, I am strong, strength starts chasing you. When you say, I am wealthy, success starts chasing you. That is why you need to be careful what you say after I am. Never say, I am broke or I am heavily in debt. You are inviting hardship and scarcity. Get up in the morning and invite good things into your life. I am blessed, talented, and prosperous. Most people are more focused on their effects and what they don't like about themselves. Understand that when you say, I am beautiful or I am good looking, beauty comes looking for you. No one else can do this for you. You have to come out of your own mouth. Beauty is found in being who God created you with confidence. So say, I am amazing, wonderful, valuable, a masterpiece, and a child of the Most High God. You have gifts and talents that you have not connected with. There is still treasure within you. Throughout life, negative thoughts will try to keep you down. There are forces that constantly try to make you feel intimidated and inferior. After studying Conny Mendez's teachings, we can conclude that we must become aware of the power of I am and how it can transform our entire lives. We already have the knowledge and tools, and now we must apply them day by day. If you don't tell yourself who you are, the world will say it for you. It will tell you that you cannot prosper in a country like ours, that you are too old or too young to prosper, or that people like us are born to be poor, and many more negative things. One of the secrets of life is to tell yourself who you are and what you want to become. To create the life you want to have is not about waiting or finding a better life, but about creating it yourself with your thoughts and actions. And it all starts with these two super powerful words, I am. I hope this video has been useful and has provided you with a new perspective on the meaning of I am. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone so they can also gain new awareness. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.